Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating the essentials, confirm NY session hours, and ensure your platform has pre-market data. Once done, load 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1-hour chart templates with your preferred indicators. Make sure moving averages and a momentum oscillator are visible. Next, define position size by risking 0, 5 to 1% of your account per trade, and place a hard stop. Begin scanning watch list symbols that show clear directional bias and volume spikes, so you can act immediately. You now focus on execution. Scan for trend-confirmed breakouts or high-probability pullback reversals within the NY session context. Once identified, validate the setup with rising volume, proximity, or rejection at VWAP, and supportive momentum readings. If indicators disagree, skip. Next, plan a clear entry trigger, place a stop just beyond recent structure, and size for 2 profit targets. Partial take at first target. Trail stop to capture extended moves. Execute. You finish trades by actively managing risk. Once the first profit target hits, move your stop to break even and trail using higher timeframe structure or moving averages to lock gains. Make sure to use a time cutoff. Reduce exposure or close positions before the NY close to avoid overnight risk. If a trade runs against you, cut the loss per your predetermined stop, record the setup and outcome in your journal, and review why it failed so you can refine entries and filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.